we discuss about different blocks in Scratch. Under the scripts tab, you can see there are some categories or blocks. Under each block, there are some group of related comments. They are related comments because they are similar to each other in action. As they are similar, they are grouped together under a category, and that category is called block. So whenever you click on a block, a list of related comments appear. These are called block palettes. Each block palette is a script which are used to write a program in Scratch. First is motion. Motion block contains some scripts or commands that are used to create motion in the sprite. If I take this move, a single script I have taken, move 10 steps. It will create a motion in the sprite. Whenever I click on the script, the sprite will move 10 steps in the forward direction. And to execute the program, you have to click on the script, not this flag button. This flag button is for executing the program, that is right, but if you click on it, nothing will happen, because for flag button a different script is required, which I will come to later. So how to execute a program? To execute a program, you have to click on the first script or the first command. Here only one command is there. You have to left click the mouse on this command, and a yellow highlight will appear around this script. That means the program is executing, then only the sprite will move. Let me click. It has moved. The caption given here, move 10 steps. Move and steps are constant, they will not change, but in this white text area 10 is there. 10 is changeable. It is called the value or parameter. That means you can set your own value here. If you give 50, that means when you click on this script, with one click it will move 50 steps in the forward direction. So larger the number of steps, longer is the length of movement. Plus 50 means 50 steps in forward direction. If you give minus 50 means 50 steps in the backward direction. Now if I click on the script, with each click it will move 50 steps backward. My work with this script is over. I can put it back here. Now turn 15 degrees. This turn is for making clockwise movement in the sprite. This arrow shows in the clockwise direction. So if I click on it, 15 degrees it will turn clockwise. Now if I want to take turn 15 degrees anti-clockwise, if I click on it, it will turn 15 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. You can change the number of degrees from here. If you give 90 here, That means if I click once, with one click it will turn 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. See, once I have clicked and it has turned 90 degrees. Similarly, some more scripts are there that are related to movement. These are some advanced scripts. Basic scripts I have told: move, turn. Now coming to next block, looks. This block contains some commands that are related to the appearance of the sprite. Suppose I take this command, say hello for 2 seconds. If I click on it, the sprite will say hello for 2 seconds and then stop. Now if I want to say hello for 10 seconds, you can change this 2 to 10. As this is the white portion, you can see this is the parameter or value area. That means they are changeable. You can change this hello also. You can change hello to hi also. Now click on it. Now it will say hi for 10 seconds and you can see a yellow highlight around it. That means it is executing. When the execution will be over, the yellow highlight now vanishes and the hi writing also vanishes. Now coming to the next block, sound. I've taken play sound. Now this is a list. You can change the list. By default is the meow, this cat sound. If you click on it, this sound will be played, but you can record your own sound also. For this you have to click on record. You can record new sound from here. Hello. You can record hello, hello, hello. Then you can record it from here and then stop. Again I am showing. For recording the sound, you have to click on it, record new sound. Then you have to click on this record circle button for recording. Hello. Then stop. Now you can play it. Hello. You can use this sound. Hello. See, when I play this script, it is showing my recording because now my recording is available in this list. So you can record your own voice also. Next block is pen. Pen is used if you have written a text on the stage, then that can be stylistically written, means in a stylish manner that can be written. If any text is there related to your sprite or backdrop, then you can use this pen. Generally it is some advanced option, advanced block, not required generally now. Now This data is not in your syllabus, this is not required. Events, control, these two are important. Sensing is not so important. Sensing is just for bringing sprites into action when a mouse button is clicked or touched. The sensing action will be activated on clicking the sensing script in the script area. Suppose this is ask what's your name and wait. If you take it and execute this command, it will ask your name. You can answer here. And click the tick button. It will vanish. Like this type of sensing things, it can be done. Operators are required. Sometimes operators are required in Scratch programming for mathematical operations. Generally, they are not used in single manner. They are used together with some control commands that I will tell later. So for that, events and control is important. First, events. As I told you, to run a Scratch program, you have to click on the script to execute the script. But why this flag button is used? This also executes the Scratch program, but for that you have to use a special script, and that is available within the events block. See here, this script name is when flag clicked. That means if I execute this script, then this flag button will be available for use. Now I have taken when flag is clicked. Now I again go to motion. Now I take the move 10 steps, then turn 15 degrees. That means now if I use the flag button, our program will run, because at the beginning I have given when flag clicked. Then only this later scripts will run. The meaning of these three scripts I have given is that when the flag button is clicked, then only it will move 10 steps first, then it will turn 15 degrees in clockwise direction. And it will be possible by using the flag button. So now the flag button can be used because I have used this script from events block. Now click the flag and see. Each time you click the flag, the program will be executed. The whole program will be executed each time you click the flag. And to stop the execution, you can use the stop also from here. The use of stop button will be more clear when I will come to control block. So events. So generally this event is used. Other than that, many other events are there. When space key is pressed, that means a program will run when space key is pressed. Let's see. Now I take move. See, now I will not click the flag button also, not click here also. I will not do anything. I will just press the space key in my keyboard and you will see that the program is automatically executing. As it is in inclined position, so each time I hit the space bar of the keyboard, it will move 10 steps forward in this position only. At this angle only it will move 10 steps. Okay, let me bring it back to the normal position. Now if you execute the program by hitting the space key, you will see it is moving 10 steps forward each time I press the space bar. Now flag is also not required. Clicking the script is also not required for execution. So this is event driven programming. That means on the occurrence of a particular event, the program starts, and the event is this one, when space key is pressed. This is the event, and the on occurrence of this event, the later whatever scripts are there, they will execute. Only if this event occurs, then only the program will execute. If I don't press space key, nothing will happen. If I press spacebar key, then only the program will execute.